Doing, cutie? Hmm? What are you doing? Yeah. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Did you make her leave? How's the blanket taste? Hmm? I think it's great. Yeah. I'm pretty sure you're a chick. Yeah, you're a woman. You're a woman. Are you like your daddy and like your belly rubbed? Huh? Hi. What's the matter, baby? What are you doing? What are you doing climbing on me? Huh? What are you doing? Look at all my cutie patooties. Yeah, you'll be a cutie. Grr. You wanna play, huh? You wanna play. Look at you. Get it. Get it. Oop. Your brother in the back's getting your tail. Ooh. Ooh. Down she goes. Down she goes. Oh my goodness. Let me see. This is why I want to be a certain animal photographer. Look at them cute little paws. Oh my god. Hey, are you two fighting over here? Are you two fighting over here? Hey. Oh, you're joining. Oh, you're joining. And then these two are buddies. They just hang out over here and sleep all the time. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Here comes Mama. How you doing, Mama? Hey, be nice. What are you doing? I'm gonna get up quick. Hi, Miyangi. Good morning. Well, good afternoon. How was your nap? Look at that cute, sweet face. And then these guys are still fighting over here. Get your head up. Get your head up. What? You're just staring at me. Trying to make sure these guys aren't killing each other. Are you stuck, baby? There you go. There you go. I got you. I got you.
Let's solve that mystery.
You're having a bad dream.
It felt so real. It's like I'm losing my mind. It's like I've been there before. I just know it. You're kidding me!
Oh, it's on. Does it look okay?